everyone, my name's Sydney Burge. I'm a current sophomore here on campus. I'm a classics and political science double major, and I'm going to take you on a little day in my life. Before I take you on a day in my life, I wanted to show you my room really quick. I live in the Pi Phi house here on campus, so I am my sorority's house manager, so that means that I get my own room. I'm part of residence life, which is pretty fun. On campus, I'm involved in a couple of different things. I am the Illinois Alpha chapter president of Pi Beta Phi here. I also was just elected student senate president, so I get to work closely with the student body. I also work in a couple of different places, residence life. I work in the Wackerly Center with Marty Steach, and I also work in the admissions office. And I take part in different honor societies like Eta Sigma Phi and Order of Omega. So Monmouth is definitely the place where you can get very involved, which it's very helpful building a resume, but also kind of just gaining experience in different areas. So that's one of my favorite things about Monmouth. So we gotta go to 9 a.m. Latin right now, so we're gonna head over to Wallace. All right, me and Professor Simmons just finished our last Latin class of this semester. This is Professor Simmons.
Hello.
I take Latin because I find it really fun, and it also helps me in other areas of my studies. Professor Simmons, anything you want to say about Latin?
Oh my gosh, I mean, Latin, people don't really understand English until they take Latin, for one thing, and it's just, the way it's structured requires people to think in a different way, and it just adds a different level of richness to life. Like, the Latin is everywhere, but people don't realize it without studying the subject, and so it just like allows people to see things at a different level than they otherwise might, and just see richness, layers all over the place.
Yes, I would definitely recommend it. I've had a fun time taking it. And if you take it, you're going to be with Professor Simmons throughout your time here at Monmouth. So, yeah. All right, so now I'm at work here in the Wackerly Center in the ACE. Here at the Wackerly Center, I do a bunch of different marketing on our Instagram page and on our website. So I post a bunch of different upcoming events that we have, different speakers that are coming to campus, so that way students can be aware. Here at the Wackerly Center, we can help you work on any leadership opportunities, internship opportunities. We can help you work on your resume or your cover letter. We also help students that are new, that are needing to find an area to study, so we help you find your major or minor. We've also got different internship and alumni connections and networking for you. So today at work, I'm going to be updating our website a little bit, as well as our newsletter that goes out to students. I'm also going to be working on a flyer it's called Bridging the Gap, and it's this new program that they're doing at the end of this week. So they're going to be doing bridging gaps between like high school to college transitions, and then college to real life transitions. So that's kind of the stuff that I do here at the Wackerly Center. It's pretty fun, and I enjoy helping different people. Okay, now I just got done with lunch, so now I'm in a breakout room. I'm studying for my Greek, Roman, and Mediterranean history final that I have on Friday. I'm trying to make a Quizlet to go along with it. And so I'm just kind of studying before I have class at 1, which is politics of criminal justice.
The Court of the Second Judicial Circuit Criminal Division is now in session. The Honorable Judge Burge presiding.
Okay, we just finished our politics of criminal justice last class of the semester, did a mock trial. I was the judge. Kaylee, what were you?
Expert witness.
And Professor
And
Vivian?
I was a bailiff.
Yep, and it went pretty well.
Yep.
All right, now I'm at work in the admissions office with some of my coworkers, and today we're going to be writing thank you cards for the Scots Day of Giving donors. All right, I just got out of work from the admissions office, and I'm heading back to Pi Phi House. We have a sisterhood in about 30 minutes or so. It's a study sisterhood, so one of the things that we do in Pi Phi, part of your member experience, is a bunch of sisterhoods. Sometimes these are different craft activities, kind of hangouts, and tonight it's a dirty soda bar study sisterhood, because we have finals coming up. So we'll go see how that goes. All right, now we're at sisterhood. We're having a dirty soda bar sisterhood, and we're all studying for our upcoming finals. Academics is something that we take great pride in here in Pi Phi, and we just won a Greek Break Award for it actually. And it's something that falls in line with our philanthropy, which is Read, Lead, Achieve. Me and Bronte just finished eating over at Zoka, and then we just spent a bunch of our flex dollars before the end of the year. I'm here with Bronte. We're just kind of wrapping up studying for one of our tests. I finished making a little timeline for it and some Quizlets, and then I finished my data analysis for my political psychology class. So that's kind of the end of my evening, and now I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. All right, everyone, this is kind of the end of my day in my life. I just got ready for bed, and I'm gonna go to bed. We've got reading day tomorrow for finals, so I need to be up early so I can do some more studying and preparation for my exams that are coming up. So thanks for coming along with me and spending a day with me.